I am back with another BLUETTI review. This one here is a Sora 500 solar panel. I'm camping right now and there's people all around me watching me record this, so it's a tiny bit embarrassing. I'm trying to ignore all that, right? There's a lot of background noise going on. There's the massive BLUETTI. I've just used that to charge a little BLUETTI, charge a bunch of phones. I've used it for the air fryer, I've used it for the microwave a bunch of times, and we used it for the toaster this morning. Hey Phineas wants to be in the video. So that's well down now. So we've got that down to 69%, isn't that amazing? What a perfect number. I'm gonna set this thing up. It's a lot of fun to set up. I'm gonna set it up right here and see how quickly it charges up that donkey. Righto, let's open it up. Cades, you ready? Do you remember this? We do. You grab that handle.
What's that?
And then I'll grab this side. We fold out, and that can go over here. No, we're the wrong way, so we've got to spin it around. Closer, a bit closer that way, to your right, yep, there. Lift up like this. Then we take the legs out from the back. Grab that one, thank you, Clint. Oh, look how easy it is when we've got lots of people. That goes down like that. Then we go up. And we clip those in. Look at you go. There's a whole freaking solar system.
This is what they use on the space station.
Yeah, this is from the space station. Then we'll plug this into the BLUETTI, straight down here. Bang it in there. And we're gonna watch the input. I know you guys can't see the screen right now.
For the rest of us to charge our batteries?
No, I'm taking all the sun. AC, oh no, sorry, input, look at that, we're getting $3.99. Oh, is the green out on me?
Sorry, no.
Oh my God. Can you guys see that? This is a 500 watt panel and we're currently getting 404 watts going in. So that should take about 2 hours, 2.6 hours to fully charge. So from 69 right up to 100. And there you go. We'll let you know. I'll let you know when this is finished charging up. But look, this is the BLUETTI Sora 500. What's your one, bro? What's that?
That is.
Huh? You can't even sleep underneath that. Look at mine, bro. You can sleep underneath that one. The hell is this, Clint? Now, what is this one actually?
I think it's 200 watt.
So it's a little 200. And how does it work? Does it work all right? Does it do the job?
Charges the battery.
Does it all right?
But
Yeah. Well, that's all right. Anyway, have you got solar on your roof at all?
Yeah.
So you got solar up there in this one.
Yeah.
Charge the battery, okay. And then that's the BLUETTI that we've given to Clint. He runs this one now. So I gave Clint that little bad boy. So there's all the legs and stuff, and you've seen how we set it up. And that's the second time I've done it, so we're a little bit amateur still, but we can only get better from here. These sights are a bit small, but we've got it squeezed in over here now. And then this is at a total, a couple hours later, is at 83%. So it's slowly going. This has been out in the weather all day. It's been raining and the worst day possible. But over here, the BLUETTI has charged up to 100%. Are you ready to see it? Also, I've spent the day at the beach having a few drinks. So, you're also getting the best side of Jordan. Come on, let's have a look. Right down in here. Hey, and also my mum is filming. Don't hit your ape on the tow bar there.
oh, thanks.
It is at 100%. So this solar panel has done it, mate. It's done it. It is charged up to 100%. I'm very happy. Thank you for watching. Buy more BLUETTIs. Don't muck around. Check out the comments for discount code, all right? We're back home now. I've had to set the panel back up because it pretty much rained and the weather turned to crap the whole trip. So I want to dry out the solar panel. What's better than setting a solar panel up and then plugging it back into the BLUETTI? This is a 500 watt panel and we pretty much got that while we were testing this out. You don't even laugh, Caden. Idiot. It is nice that it folds up and it's compact, but it is about 13 kilos. So it's fairly portable, but you wouldn't want to be lugging it too far. This has the IP67 waterproof rating. So it is waterproof, so you can leave it out in the rain if you have to, but probably don't leave your BLUETTI next to it charging in the rain. Here is a true fact. ETFE coating, whatever that means. It's easy to wash, basically. They've put something on it to make it easy to wash. So it can be quite fiddly to set up. You saw me setting it up. It's 2 people would be awesome, but you can do it by yourself. These are all nice and sturdy, but it got quite windy, so I ended up putting it flat on the ground at camping. It can be a little bit annoying to set up, but it's a huge panel and it's portable, 500 watts. You don't really get a portable solar panel that's this bloody good. Little bit of a bonus, this is the Elite 10. This is the tiniest BLUETTI that I own. I lent this to my mum on the weekend and she uses one of those sleep apnea machines. That's her machine there. It is called a ResMed Mini Travel CPAP, sleep apnea machine, whatever it is. coolest thing is that there ran it for basically 10 hours, 9 or 10 hours. So to charge the Elite 10, I couldn't plug that solar panel into it because it can only take a 200 watt solar, I think it is. No, a 100 watt solar panel. So I was trying to charge 500 watts into it. I don't think it liked it, and it just wouldn't register the towing. The towing? And it wouldn't register the charge. So this here is my big dog, the Elite 300. So pretty much I ran a 240 volt charger from this over to the little Elite 10. So I charged that up first, and hey Finny, are you okay? You want to be a part of it? Come over here. There you go, sit. There you go. So the Elite 300, that solar panel took this right back up to 100% charge. Oh, butterfly. Oh, who's your Finny? Finny likes, I didn't actually have to use the air conditioner this weekend either, because it never got hot enough to use the aircon, because I wanted to test this thing out using the aircon all weekend. But I did use this to run all of our appliances, which you've seen already. Another bonus footage, let's watch me pack this up one more time by myself. She's a bit covered in sand at the moment, but pretty much I push it over like that. These all flap back away. Then I just roll it all the way over. Boom, like that. Gotta be gentle with it. Like that. Bluetti. Then like that. And then that goes around that way. Up there. Okay, then these wings, they've got a little dome clip on them, and they clip onto this bit here. But see where it is? But what I've found is that could be a little bit annoying to clip on. So you got to put your finger in between this panel and click it. You can't just push it all together because it would not click on. That one. There you go. Clip together. There you have it. Then you can unplug this cord, or you can tuck it however you want to tuck it. Then you just pop these bits of Velcro on. Handle's good to go. You got yourself a 13 kilo briefcase to take around with you. So you got that in one hand and this in the other hand. And now you are a portable power station. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.